Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about ceramic burner head for Wittco Part #Y-SMBH. The ceramic burner head for Tec Part #Y-SMBH is a replacement part for a variety of Tec grills. It is designed to replace the original burner head on the grill and provide an even heat distribution across the cooking surface. The ceramic burner head is made from high-quality ceramic material that is designed to withstand high temperatures and provide long-lasting performance. The burner head features a stainless steel tube that helps to evenly distribute heat across the cooking surface. The burner head also has a porcelain enamel finish that helps to prot. This part fixes the following symptoms. Ceramic burner head for Tec Part #Y-SMBH is used to replace a damaged or worn-out burner head on a gas grill. It can fix symptoms such as poor flame distribution, uneven heat, and poor ignition. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by turning off the gas supply to the appliance. 2. Remove the old burner head by unscrewing it from the gas valve. 3. Install the new burner head by screwing it onto the gas valve, making sure that it is securely tightened. 4. Turn on the gas supply and check for any leaks using a soapy water solution. If there are any leaks, tighten the connections further or replace with a new burner head. 5. Once all connections are secure and no leaks are present, light the appliance according to manufacturer instructions and check for proper operation. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com.
Visit www.PartsFPS.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.